Hi, good morning. Today's topic of discussion is generating and printing reports. First of all, you should know the meaning of reports. Reporting information is designed to allow you to get the maximum benefit of the data that is entered. You will get a complete picture of the data and also you will be able to present information using different options. On entering the vouchers, TelePrime uses the same data and provides you with the management control reports in addition to all books and statements. In TelePrime, you can view the reports on the fly. That is, you can view any report from anywhere in TelePrime, and also the reports can be printed depending upon your printer's capabilities. First topic is on the fly reporting. In TelePrime, the simpler has now become simplest. Now in TelePrime, we can generate any report from anywhere. That is, if you are in the mid of recording the sales transaction and suddenly wants to send the reminder letters, the same task can be done without moving out of your current work by using the go to option available in the top horizontal button bar. Alright. Next, similarly, we can also view any report from anywhere by using the option switch. You can switch this option when you have completed your current task. In TelePrime, you can view and generate all the reports on the fly, like generate financial reports, generate accounting reports, generate inventory reports, generate management control reports. The go-to menu screen appear as shown in figure. Here, by using go-to menu from anywhere, you can generate any report in TelePrime. Let us understand the same using the following example. So now, first of all, they have given me one example. Consider that you are in the middle of recording the cash sales transaction dated 5 December 2020 in the books of Shri Devi International, and you got a request from the manager to check the outstanding balance of party by name Venus World. In this case, you can use the option go to from sales voucher creation screen. For example, I'll show you practically. I'm opening vouchers and here I'm opening sales voucher. So here what I can do, while working in sales voucher, let's suppose I have a reference number 17 over here and party account name is Venus World. Cash, let's suppose cash, and then I selected one stock item Samsung 8 kg front load, and you immediately got a message from the manager to check the outstanding balance. In this case, you can use the option go to from sales voucher creation screen. So I'll press Alt plus G, and now you can see that there is a list of reports open over here. From this list of reports, you want to check the outstanding balance. So to check the outstanding balance, I'll go to sales order due only, and now you can check the pending orders over here. Alright, so you can check the pending order of chair, Samsung 6 kg top load, Samsung 6 kg top load, and Samsung 6 kg front load. Okay, so this way you can check your reports. I'll go back, and by pressing Alt plus G again, you can check your balance sheet. I'll go back, I'll press Alt plus G again, you can check your profit and loss account. I'll go back. Alright, here what I need to do now, press enter on ledger outstanding option. Wait a second, let me press Alt plus G, then from here I'll go to receivables and payables. Here I'll go to ledger outstanding, and from here I need to select Venus World. So now I'll pressing Alt plus F1. you can see the Venus World pending amounts. 80,000, 50,000, 50,000. So total 1,80,000 is a pending amount, and on account there is a pending amount of 26,000. Alright. Now, did you notice that we are back to the same screen after pressing Ctrl plus Q? We are back in the same screen from where we have used go to option to view the ledger outstanding report. Here you have done additional activity without moving out of your current work. Now they have given one point to remember. The same report we can generate by using the key Ctrl plus G, but we will not be able to resume the previous work. Hence this key can be used when we doesn't want to resume the previous work. So which they means to say that if you don't want to work at the same time in sales voucher, and if you don't want to open your reports, then you can simply press Ctrl plus G, and after pressing the Ctrl plus G, we will again go to receivables and payables and go to ledger outstanding, and this way they will ask you whether you want to accept this thing. I'll press yes, and then we will go to Venus World, and then after that we can check the pending amount. And when you go back, you can check out that your earlier previous work has been shut down. Alright. Here I'll open Alt plus F3. I'll open Shri Devi International and will shut down my Devendra Private Limited. Now the next topic is bird's eye view and drill down display. Tele Prime unique feature provides you with the required information at a glance overall view. For example, ratio analysis and statistics provides you with wealth of information for decision making in a single screen. Here, for example, we go to ratio analysis. This is the ratio analysis, right? And we will press F2, and here you can check out that I have mentioned a period over here, 1st April to 1st November. Alright, so you can check out the ratio analysis of 1st April to 1st November, and at a glance you can view the necessary information from the above report like working capital, cash in hand, bank account, debtors and creditors, sales and purchase account, stock in hand, inventory turnover ratio and quick ratio. Alright. Here what I need to do, I need to press Alt plus H. Sorry, wait, Alt plus Control plus H. And if you want to check out your ratio analysis in a vertical format, then I'll press enter. And now you can see that your vertical format of ratio analysis has been ready now. Alright. So from the above given ratio analysis report, you can perform the vertical analysis of the data. In TelePrime, we can compare the ratio analysis report daily, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, weekly and yearly. Let us review the ratio analysis and compare the quarterly data. I'll press Ctrl plus N. Alt plus N, and now they are saying that auto repeat columns. I want to check out my ratio analysis quarterly. I'll select quarterly over here. Now you can see that from 1st April to 30th June your ratio analysis is this, from 1st July to 30th September ratio analysis is this, and from 1st October to November your ratio analysis is this. Alright. This way you can check out your ratio analysis. So here we can check the ratio analysis report where the data is distributed based on the quarterly period selected. Observe that the sales values, purchase values, stock in hand values are different for different quarter. This information can be used for analyzing and interpretation of figures appearing in the data, to forecast and plan the future business activities, to plan the budget like we can plan sales budget from the data, to communicate the financial position of the company to its stakeholders and other parties, to make quick decisions like whether to supply goods on credit or not, whether the loan will be sanctioned by the bank or not. So now they have given me one activity that similarly generate the statistics report to view at a glance all the accounting and inventory masters. So from I'll go back from display more reports, I'll go to statement of accounts and then go to statistics. So you see this is the statistics, and now I'll press Alt plus G. So from this statistics report you can go to all the reports, list of reports, and check out your reports. From the above statistics you will come to know the details of number of vouchers, types of vouchers, number of accounting vouchers, and number of inventory masters in Teleprime. Now we will talk about drill down display. Teleprime allows you to drill down from any report to its various lower levels till the voucher level. For example, you can view a profit and loss account report and select a required group from it and drill down to the voucher level. Any changes made by you in the vouchers are reflected real time at all levels. One should have the full rights, that is security rights in Teleprime to make the changes, then only it will impact the reports. So here I'll show you from the display, from the gateway of Tele, go to profit and loss account and then open it, and from profit and loss account report you can drill down to the voucher level. For example, if you want to check the details of purchase transaction, press enter on purchase. For example, let's do it Alt plus F1, and here the purchase, total purchase is 81,33,900. If I want to check out how this 81,33,900 comes out to be, then I'll press enter on it, I'll press again enter on it, I can press at any month, I can press enter on it, and I can press again enter on it. So this is by pressing enter and enter again and again, this is called drill down menu. Alright, so if you want to check the details of sales transaction, we will go back. Now I'll show you the details of sales transactions also. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, then Alt plus F3. I'll open Shri Devi International and I'll shut down Devendra Private. Here what I am going to do, I'm going to open profit and loss account, and here what I did, I want to check out the sales account, how 59,90,200 amount comes out to be. Then I press enter on it, again enter on it, again enter on it, again enter on it. So this is by pressing enter and enter again, this is means I'm drilling down the option and I want to see the final voucher entry. Okay. The next topic is date and period based reporting and comparing. If you want to check your reports date wise and period wise and want to compare the one particular report with another particular report according to the date, then how you can do that? So in Teleprime, you can generate reports by selecting a particular date or a date range or a period. You can also compare reports of two selected periods, months or financial year. This facility will help you in comparing the reports of the same company or two or more companies stored in the same data directly. Let us now check the comparative sales reports in Telegram. So for this, I'm going to open my company. First of all, and now shut down this company. Again, I'll press Ctrl plus F3 and shut down my Sridevi International. Here what I am going to do now, I'll go to display more reports and then I'll go to accounts books, and now I'll open my sales register. What I need to do now, I'll press Alt plus G, and now you can check out the list of reports. And now I'll press Alt plus C. I'll go back. I'll press Alt plus C, and from the column details, I want to check the from 1st April to 1st November, and I want to check the purchase. So see, from this is the sales report and this is the purchase report. So this means that while you have opened the sales register, apart from sales register also you can check your purchase register by pressing Alt plus C, and you can select whether for which voucher you want to check your reports. So as I selected the purchase voucher, so now you can see that along with sales voucher report, my purchase register report is also showing over there. Alright. So from the above report, we can compare the sales and purchase made by the company. If required, we can also compare the sales of one branch with another branch. So for doing this, what I need to do, I'll press Alt plus G. Wait a second. Alt plus C. And here I'll press 1st April to 1st November. And here I want to type a value, name of voucher type as purchase account. Wait a second. I'll go back. I'll press Alt plus G, and then here I'll go to ledger monthly salary. Ledger, and here I go to ledger monthly summary, and then press Alt plus C. Here I need to select sales, and here I'll press Alt plus C. Now from 1st April to 1st November, type of value to show, I'll select as actual, and name of ledger I'll select purchase. Now you can see that here my sales and reports and purchase reports are showing date wise. Alright. Alright. So this way we do the drill down option. We use the drill down options. So I hope you understood all these topics very carefully. I have tried my level best to give you 100% practical applicability. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you in next videos. Thank you so much.